Hello and welcome to the weekly weather briefing for the week of December 12th, 2013. This briefing brought to you by the National Weather Service in Riverton. As we start off the next 7 days, we'll look here at Friday where we'll have a fairly dry northwest flow aloft. We could see some light precipitation in the northwest mountains, maybe also the Bighorns, but overall a dry day across the region. Our background colors here indicating some cooler air by the blue colors, but notice that the coldest air that we had seen previously is well off to our northeast, especially across southern Canada and the extreme northern tier of the United States. So overall, seasonable temperatures for Friday, and we'll see this ridge off the west coast start to push inland by the time we get to Sunday. So we look at our picture to the right here. Again, that ridge now onshore. We'll have some warmer air that works its way into Wyoming, still in some northwest flow aloft. We'll lose the little bit of precipitation that it looked like we had on Friday. Overall, a warmer pattern, and we'll see some increasing wind, it looks like, especially on Sunday from Rock Springs to Casper, with wind speeds 20 to 35 miles an hour in that corridor, lesser speeds elsewhere. As we take a look at Monday through Wednesday, generally dry and warm through this period. That ridge again now moves on shore, much larger expanded area of warm air across the desert southwest, even the Rocky Mountain states, with this ridge axis right in here. So we've kind of keep a light westerly flow aloft, but overall a pleasant couple days on Monday and Tuesday still. Temperatures anywhere from about 5 to 10 degrees above normal. And then as we transition into Wednesday, the flow goes from northwest to west, and now we'll start to see some increasing moisture maybe into the western mountains. The discussion focuses on what's going to happen with this colder air off over the Pacific Northwest. Is it going to dive to our southwest or generally track across us and to our north, in which case it wouldn't be as cold? If this thing dives to the south, then temperatures could vary dramatically by late next week. So if we take a look at the temperatures at a glance, warming throughout the period, our coldest day again on Friday, and then that gradual warming trend. Some breezy conditions to start next week, again generally from Rock Springs to Casper, but overall a pleasant period. Notice where our normal highs are, so for the most part we'll be above normal through the next 6 days or so. Now that Wednesday night and Thursday time period, it looks like it will at least turn colder. We'll have some colder air that filters south. Again, it depends on where the track of that next system that was over the Pacific Northwest on Wednesday, whether it tracks quickly across Wyoming and Montana and stays to our north for the most part, or if it dives to our southwest and fully entrenches that cold air across our forecast area. We'll see how that plays out. Either way, it looks like some light snow, especially in upslope favored areas, possible on Thursday. It will be colder. Temperatures generally more seasonal, with readings from the mid-20s to around freezing. We encourage you, as the weekend unfolds and then early next week, stay on top of how this forecast is panning out. Our Christmas week outlook, again, the 8 to 14 day picture. Notice, at least for the most part, the National Centers for Environmental Prediction, an arm of the National Weather Service, indicating coldest air across the northern tier of states. So it looks like they're buying off on a pattern that's a little more progressive and move that colder air off rather than entrenches it across Wyoming. It does include a little bit better than average chance of above normal precipitation. Looks like we, again, could see some light snow during that period leading up to Christmas. So we thank you for joining us. You can call us anytime at the phone number there on screen, 1-800-211-1448. And we continue to encourage you to check us out on your smartphone at mobile.weather.gov, mobile.weather.gov. And we'll see you next week.